Okay, so I just watched this video on a kid getting like 2.2 seconds on the Scramble, and I needed to make a video about it. So here, let me get the Scramble. B2, U2, B, that's B, right? Yeah. R2, F2, U2, F prime, U2, B prime, D2, R, B, U prime, L prime, L prime, B prime, R prime, B prime, U prime, F. That? Yep, okay. Alright, so you start on red, and then for the cross, you start on red, right there, and then for the cross, do L prime, R prime, B prime, R2, U prime, R prime. So you got the cross right there. And then for the first pair of your F2L, you're going to do U, R prime, U prime, R. So right there, orange or green. And then for your second pair, you're going to do a Y prime, or just go from red to blue. And then do L prime, U prime, L. And you got your second pair there. And then for your third pair, you're going to do Y, or switch from blue to red. And then do U prime, L prime, U, L. So you got red and blue. Then for your fourth and final pair, you do U prime, R, U prime, R prime. So your F2L is done. And then you stay on red, and then we have an OLL CP here. Okay, so I'm going to do R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U2. That is probably the best scramble I've ever seen, especially for a 3x3. Oh my god. Okay, well, see you guys in a little bit. Peace.